Hey guys, and welcome to this tutorial. Today we will give you a quick explanation on how to install an SSL certificate. We will be using Cloudflare to do this because of its many features like stopping bots from attacking, SSL securing, and easy DNS management. Here we'll be showing you how to link your website and integrate Cloudflare. Let's get straight into it. First, head to cloudflare.com and click on the sign up in the top right. Then create an account with details you would like. Then enter your domain. You'll be then presented with different level plans. For this demonstration we will be using the free plan because they give you so many settings and strong enough security that you probably don't need to pay for an actual plan. It will then scan your domain for existing DNS records. Scroll down and click continue once it has finished scanning. Follow the steps by changing your name servers. This has been mentioned in a past video about how to do this, and save the changes. Click done once you've set up Cloudflare with your perfect settings. Here's what we would recommend. Click finish, and now we are integrated with Cloudflare. It might not work until your name servers are updated. You can use Cloudflare's tool to check if they're updated yet. After a while you should get this message. Now the domain is set up. You can skim through the pages and check out what Cloudflare has to offer. That's pretty much it. It's very simple and easy and shouldn't take you less than 10 seconds to set it up pretty much. I hope this helps you set up and install it. And if you need any help, don't hesitate to contact me via my email address or in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys next time.